Okay, so Craig's asking if I can show you how to use our split test feature. I think that's a great idea, Craig, because it is one of the more important features in Convertri, and it's something that we've updated recently as well. So if I go back to my Getting Started webinar funnel, and let's say we wanted to split test our thank you page. To start that, I would click the three dot menu, and then I would click Start a Split Test, and that would then bring this option up, Are you sure? I could then click OK. It will take me then to my split test menu, and you can see here the status is not live, and that's because I haven't selected what my variant B will be. Now, in the past, our split test feature worked by just cloning variant A and then allowing you to edit it. But we've now realized that people sometimes don't want an exact duplicate of the variant A as their variant B. They might want to try it against a completely different page, whether that be a template page or another page they've designed. So if I click clone variant A, it will literally make an exact copy of it, and I can make small changes. If I want to choose another page in my funnel, I can click choose new page. I'll hit select, and then I can choose from the drop down. All the other pages in my funnel will appear. As you can see, it's highlighting the current variant, and I can then choose which one I want to test it against. So we'll choose template because it's the most different from this page. And now you can see it brings up the variant B so I can edit it. So if I want to make edits, I just click on the edit variant option. And then here we go. This is going to allow me to edit the page. Once I publish it like so, this will start the split test. So if I click continue, it will publish both variants and the split test will begin. I can choose the link I want to do. And once it's published, I'll go back into the split test menu and show you some of the other things that you can do with split tests now. So if we go back to the funnel, we're in the split test menu. As you can see here, we've got our conversion details. The status is now in progress. You can see I can declare either page as a winner. That will end the split test. I can choose what links I want to count to conversions. I haven't got any links on my variant B, so I haven't got that option. And I can also choose the traffic split. So if I wanted 70% to go to variant A, I can put it like so. I would need to republish my pages. You can see here for that change to take effect. Or I could have it the other way. It's completely up to you. So the results really, Damien, they're based on, it depends what you're looking for. If you're looking for one that gets more views, obviously you've got the visitors option here. Or if you're looking for one that gets more conversions, it will work out the conversion rate for you as well. Obviously, if you are testing conversions against one another, I'd recommend having exactly the same links on the page so that it's a fair test. But again, that's really up to you. Depends what you're testing. If you're testing what page generates more traffic because you're testing images, then it might be that you want to look at the visitors data to see which one is doing better. And once you've declared the winner, if we click and declare winner A, variant A is the winner, it will stop the split test and it will discard variant B. But let's say then we wanted to keep variant B just to save it because we wanted to maybe use it again in another test. Well, to do that, we'd click the three dot menu and we'd click clone, and then we'd give it a page name, so variant B clone. And what this would do is it will then bring us back into our funnel and it's made a clone of that variant. Now, we're not in the split test menu anymore, but we can either go back into it like so, or we can use the left-hand tab and then go into details. Now this tab will show all your split tests for this funnel, whether they are finished or whether they're in progress, and it will give you a status indicator here. So as you can see, we have done a lot of upgrades to our split test feature. I'm not sure if many of you are familiar with it before, but pretty much all of this is new. The interface is new, the ability to clone losing variants is new, and also the ability to select a completely new page as variant B is also a new feature. So I'm glad that I've got to show you that. That was a good question, Craig. Thank you very much.